Hello my loves and welcome to my channel. My name is Anna and I make videos on how to embrace our features and emphasize them with natural makeup. Today I'm going to talk about how to beautify eyes, in particularly big ones. I first want to say that all eyes are beautiful no matter what shape or color, but today I want to focus on big heavy-lidded ones. I think from my observations, people with big eyes are common all over the world, but they're usually most common in the Middle East, India, and I do think that some parts of Europe have actually beady eyes, if that's what I call it. I don't know the name. So as a child, I've always saw makeup tutorials that showed how to narrow one's eyes and instructed to apply black liner on the waterline, and this I think is the biggest mistake of all artists to make. And I'm going to explain that in my tip number 1, don't apply black liner on the waterline of your eyes. I know that a lot of people are going to contradict me on this one, but trust me, when you apply black liner on the waterline, it's going to drag down your eye furthermore. Most people with protruding eyes have lower eyelids. Like the waterline is kind of like dragging down. I don't know if you know what I mean. And the black liner will only drag your eyes down even more by emphasizing the droopiness in your eyes. So they're lining the droopiness in your waterline. They're bringing the attention on the downturness of your eyes. So this will make you look even more sleepy and tired. The bad part about having droopy eyes is that you get more bagginess under your eyes. You get more shadow. And we don't want that shadow. We want to lift that shadow up. We want to remove it. So now we are looking at a picture of Nicole Richie without the heavy eyeshadow, and we can say that she looks more younger, she looks more lifted, her eyes look more awake, they don't look as heavy and droopy as they are with the heavy eyeshadow. The heavy eyeshadow even makes her look older and tired, and that's what we want to avoid with our makeup when we have droopy eyes. Instead, we should embrace our large eyes by applying white on the waterline of your eyes. It will not only make you look more awake, but it will lift them up, which is our aim. The white liner will also give them a fairy tale kind of look, which only looks good on huge eyes. So also apply a little bit of white liner. You can also play around with glitter in the inner corner of your eyes to further lift them up and make them look fresh. We can also see here Indian actress Raima Sen, and she looks really tired. Her eyes look droopy and downturned with the black liner, while she looks more fresh and more beautiful and more awake with the light makeup. Now for the second tip, find a good concealer. And I think this stage is really important because concealer hides the shadows that protruding eyes have. So usually heavy-lidded eyes have big dark circles which drags them down even further, and when you apply a good concealer that is not too dark, not too light, but almost the same shade as your skin color, it will lift your eyes and blur the shadows that drag your eyes down. Tip number 3, avoid shimmery eyeshadow at all costs. Now I had to learn this the hard way. When at my prom, I asked my makeup artist to apply natural makeup on my face, and I ended up looking really weird and my eyes looked really droopy and tired. Instead of bringing the attention to your eyes, the shimmery eyeshadow would bring the light to your lids and make them even heavier and more droopy. Instead of making them go backwards, the shimmery eyeshadow would bring your lids forwards. So instead, apply matte eyeshadows and add the shimmers in the inner corner of your eyes. Usually in makeup tutorials, they apply shimmery eyeshadow on the lid to make it bigger, to make it more noticed. And when you're doing the same makeups that smaller eyes or deep set eyes do, it wouldn't look as good because your lids are already forward. Now for tip number 4, take care of your lashes. What I mean by this is to apply mascara only on the top lashes, because when you apply mascara on the bottom lashes, it will also do the same effect as the black liner, and we want to avoid that. So only apply mascara on the top lashes to lift your eyes. And you can also do that with an eyelash lift. We can also apply fake lashes. It doesn't matter, just only focus on your top lashes. As for tip number 5, it's related with the eyeliner. When applying eyeliner, apply it just like mascara, only focus on the top lid. Never apply eyeliner on the lower lid because just like with the black liner, it will drag your eyes down. So apply a cat eye. It's really suitable, by the way. Even fake eyelashes that have a cat eye shape will look really good on your lashes because it will make them more almond shaped. So apply a cat eyelashes. Those are really suitable for the protruding eye shape. So guys, those are my tips and tricks on how to complement the protruding eye shape. If you have makeup tips and tricks yourself, please feel free to comment, and I would love to hear feedback from you guys. I'm also really sorry if I make mistakes while speaking. It's because English is not my first language. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye!